Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create WooCommerce pages. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the easiest way to create WooCommerce pages is by using templates or themes. And in my case, I'm already using this Astra theme. And to have your own themes, you can just go to Appearance and then go to Themes. So from here, you will need just to click on add new theme and simply we will need to go to WooCommerce or just search for WooCommerce so we can have themes that are suitable or that are matching WooCommerce structure. And basically you will have many themes and you will need just to install any theme that uh, you find appealing and good. You will click on install and after that you will be needing to go again to appearance or the themes that you have the installed and you will need to activate them. So this one is just a Hello Elementor theme that has that is not a web a store or anything, and this is my Astra that I'm using. And basically, uh, each website would need some kind of builder, and you might be using either WordPress editor or you can be using Elementor as site builder. And basically, when you would like to customize your pages, or you would need to go to the site builder. And in my case, the site builder for Astra needs to have some premium uh, features. And if you don't want, you can use Elementor instead of Astra, and you will be able to control every aspect of your website, and you can start adding pages and changing features, etc. Or you can use the customizer. As you can see, I can go to WooCommerce. I can have these pages. For example, I can disable these ones. I can start changing from the features, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.